and say that you want to share photos or share videos, or you can add sites. So right now, the number of sites which we support are basically all your popular ones: Facebook, Picasa, Flickr, Blogger, YouTube, as well as TwitPic and MySpace, right? So if I want to choose a picture, so this is the problem when you are trying to, upload and at the same time the mic is nearby. Application speed. So yeah, this is the photo which was sent to Radha, and it shows me the option that you want to check out some cool offers. And if I press yes, it will actually show me some content which I can download. Basically, some sort of a mobile advertising integrated into it. So we have integrated with AdMob here, which is like the easiest ad network platform and the most popular as well. So I just press no here. Okay, great. So it works. Right. So I can choose online album, and then in one instant, I can choose multiple sites and to go to all my websites in one shot. Right. So I'm uploading to 4 sites. I can enter a caption, or I can skip it, and it will upload to all 4 of them. More importantly, it will only upload the photograph just once from my phone, and I can again hide it. So this is one aspect of it. I would also like to quickly take you to the overall, sort of what we are doing as a next step in this is we are allowing the other way of the feed. So till now it is all upward, so all the photographs. So all the, this is till now it has all been happening. So all the content on your phone, it goes up to multiple social networking sites. The next step what we have done is we have allowed you to see all the content which is on your social networking sites on your phone. So that is the next one which I am going to show you, which is we call Matrix. So here you have all your social networks, your Facebook, your Picasa, your Flickr, your Blogger, your Twitter, everything integrated into one. So you don't need to download a Facebook application to see your Facebook stuff. You don't need to download a MySpace application to see your MySpace stuff. Right? So all of them is integrated into one. If I go into Facebook, it gives me the exact same user experience what you get on your web or Facebook site. So it shows me my status, which is Momo on Saturday, and you can see exactly the same in terms of how the Facebook's main news feed comes up. The same interface, you see it here. And the best part about this is not just on Symbian 5th edition, it is across all Nokia devices. Even Java phones, you get the same user experience. I also have my Picasa. So the same photograph which I have just uploaded, I can immediately see them if I want. I can see my friends' photographs as well. It's already all connected. And we also have stuff like Gmail. So it takes the feed and gives you a very, very simple sort of just to check your emails. Of course, we can't replicate all the features of a Gmail client, but in terms of whatever feeds we get from in terms of RSS from Gmail, it can be replicated here. Right. So here the other photo which I had uploaded has already been uploaded to Picasa, Blogger, TwitPic, MySpace. Right. So yeah, this is what we essentially do. The monetizing model is of course through advertising, and the application is already available on the OV store for the N97. Any questions? So what is your exact concern? Right. So when it comes to security, there are 2 concerns which people raise. One is of course that what is the security of my photograph. So firstly, whenever you send to a third party, right, we only keep the photograph in the temporary cache. It is not actually stored at our server. It goes to Flickr. Once the Flickr gives us back an okay, it is not there in our system anymore. The second concern people have is about their username and password. So if you have put your Picasa username and password, is it stored at a server? The answer is no. All the username, password, all the user credentials are stored on the mobile phone. They are only transmitted at the time that you are uploading. Right. So very good application. So you
compress the pictures? I mean, do you have a compression technology?
No, we don't want to compress because I think beyond JPEG, if you try to compress, it's very difficult to achieve lossless compression. So you always end up losing some quality.
What happens when you use your basic 300 camera and you walk all the way to the image?
Right.
You take the pictures.
Right, so from my N95, as you know, it's a 5 megapixel camera, and if you take a video, it easily can go up to 5 or 10 MB. Personally, from my phone, I have transferred up 35 megabytes of video. So what it does, it actually breaks up the file into multiple parts and then uploads.
Issues of cost, the user pays.
Yeah, so right, the model, how we launch it is, we have launched it with 6 operators till now. In all of them, it is zero rated. So the application usage is actually no data charges, and people pay a subscription per month.
And which operators are these?
Song in Pakistan, Mobilink in Pakistan, Optus in Australia, Indosat in Indonesia, and T-Mobile UK.
So, how do you take care of like, as you mentioned that file transferring is very easy. So,
Right. So we have the restore and resume functionality, whereas whenever a call comes in or you have to do something else, GPR disconnects, it actually restores uploading from the point it left. So it divides it into 10 chunks, and suppose 5 chunks have been uploaded, it starts from the 6th one. And it also has a exponential backoff algorithm, so similar to what you have in Ethernet. So it tries to upload and still is not able to connect, then backs off for a while and then again tries. And all this happens in the background.
how many active users right now?
75,000.
Well, you have covered very good.
And the average usage which we have seen is in operators is around 6 to 7 photographs per user per month being shared, which makes the operator very happy because this kind of usage they are never able to get with the MMS platform or any other platform. So the usage in like mature markets like Australia and Optus, we are seeing actually people uploading a lot of videos to YouTube, and they are actually using a lot of Facebook and MySpace. Whereas in markets like Pakistan, where we have launched, we are seeing more of peer-to-peer sharing, because of course these are users who are not so much on the network side, social network. Business model, we work with operators and provide on a subscription basis, and we zero rate the GPRS. Right, so all 6 places where we have deployed, the GPRS is zero rated, and people are paying, for example, in Australia, Optus users are paying 3.99 Australian dollars, whereas in Pakistan, people are paying 30 rupees per month.
Do you think you're not the operator?
Of course, how else do we make money then? Right. So we realize the business model and all that. So competition in India is basically, if you look, there are a company called MobMe, which tries to get people to upload to their website, and I have used the application. It's not very good as far as I can say. The other competition, of course, on a global level is FixSense. If any of you have heard of it. So it's started by an Indian called Paul Singh, and they have a compression technology, but that application also I have on my phone, and personally it's a very bad user experience.
So you presented application for a lot of people presented earlier today. So we see that a lot is scattered, suggested. Is there consolidation happening? Any big guys like maybe all these